Have you ever wondered how fractions can be added together? Today we're going to practice adding fractions together that have the same denominator. Let's add 1/4 and 2/4. These fractions represent part of the whole. Let's use the rectangle to represent one whole. If we divide the whole into 4 equal parts, then the value of each part is 1/4. Now we can solve our addition problem by shading the correct number of fourths. First, we will shade in one of the parts to show 1/4. Then, we will shade in 2 more parts to show 2/4. Altogether, 3/4 are shaded in. This shows that 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4. Let's keep practicing. In this problem, we are adding 5/8 and 1/8. When we add fractions with the same denominator, all the pieces are the same size. Here, they are 8s. To add, we start by looking at the numerators and adding them together. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now look at the denominators. When adding 2 fractions that have the same denominator, the denominator in your answer will stay the same since the size of the pieces stays the same. This means that 5/8 plus 1/8 equals 6/8. Let's keep practicing. In this example, we are adding 7/10 and 3/10. Start by adding the numerators. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now look at the denominators. Remember, our denominator stays the same when adding fractions with like denominators, since the size of the piece does not change. So, the denominator of our sum is 10. 7/10 plus 3/10 is 10/10. But how much is 10/10? Let's see if we can rewrite 10/10 a different way. The numerator 10 is the same as the denominator 10. This tells us that all 10 of the pieces would be shaded, or the whole figure. 10/10 is equal to 1 whole. That means 7/10 plus 3/10 equals 10/10, or 1 whole. In this example, we are adding 3/4 and 2/4. Start by adding the numerators together. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now check the denominators. What do we do if the fractions we are adding have the same denominator? We keep the denominator the same. 3/4 plus 2/4 equals 5/4. 5/4 can also be written as a mixed number, since the numerator 5 is larger than the denominator 4. Let's start by breaking 5/4 apart into 4/4 and 1/4. Now we can rewrite this as a mixed number. 4/4 is equal to 1 whole, and we have 1 more fourth, making 1 and 1/4. That means 3/4 plus 2/4 equals 5/4, or 1 and 1/4. Now go try some on your own.